realistic in price, but some people don't want to talk about that.
Why am I in the crypto?
How come this piece of data is worth $200?
Why are you into crypto and when did you get into it?
What's your name?
Desiree.
Desiree, Chris.
Hi, welcome to Crypto Ramble. My name is Desiree. This is a video that I've been sitting on for some time. It's footage from MCC and Consensus. I went around asking people how they got into crypto and when, why they thought it was important, any advice that they had to give to newcomers, and then also predictions. My audio is a bit bad. I've already remedied the problem for the next time that I do something like this. See, I'm going to put subtitles so that you can still hear what people are saying. But it was pretty cool to see what people had to say, and I think you might enjoy it. So let's go see what people had to say about unconfiscatable money.
I like crypto for the fact that it's crypto as a currency that anybody can use and anybody can access. I got into cryptocurrencies back in 2013, so I did my PhD in Bitcoin. Back then I was studying cryptography and I thought cryptography is my favorite module. I wanted to learn more about it. So I met my advisor, Paul Cow at the time, and he told me about this thing called Bitcoin, this cryptocurrency being used in the dark web. And I was like, okay, I'll go read about that. And then I fell in love with it, take over my life. That's how I got into it.
So I got into crypto. I started researching Bitcoin back in 2013 when I was in school, and then started investing in about 2017. It kind of caught my eye, obviously, in December 2017. And then I approached the Wanchain team in January of 2018. Long story short, I started working for them around April of last year, so I've been working in crypto for about a year.
Stock market background, and when the market crashed, we're in the heart of it, New York. Started looking into what is money and banking, what is finance, discovered Bitcoin, the white paper, blown away, started buying Bitcoin, got into late 16 full-time into crypto. And now I'm into market making and liquidity for exchanges and projects. So yeah.
Actually, I was working for overseas company, and one of my senior got to. Actually, he sent a Bitcoin to me, and it was when Bitcoin price was at $200, which was at 2014. So at first I was like, how come this piece of data is worth $200? And then I got to learn what Bitcoin and decentralization is. So now I'm here for as full-time crypto. That's pretty much about it.
Honestly, I got in 2017 when it first hit 5,000, saw the price, but then I stayed for the technology. It was just like, I realized there was something with it. When I looked at like the mining and everything behind that, I was like, well, there's some really serious game theory going on here.
So I got into crypto and blockchain around 3 years ago. I started investing myself. And then after a visit to Japan, I decided that I want to get involved in the blockchain space in Israel. The two of us are from Israel. And yeah, that was like around more than a year and a half ago. And now I own my own blockchain project. I'm a co-founder of Dropsicle, which is a decentralized liquidity network and OTC swaps.
I've been in the crypto space, mostly in blockchain and less just in crypto for 7 years now. So I'm a software engineer practically, and I'm really into new technologies. It really intrigued me back in time, and this is how I got in. Both as like a very small investor and as just a developer.
I first learned Bitcoin from 2013 because at that time there's only a little people know about Bitcoin, but I somehow occasionally read the white paper, and I found it actually works. Because I read the entire paper and I found it actually works. So at that time there are so many people talk about Bitcoin as like a scam, but I don't think so. That's why I entered this this industry and learn more and more, and finally get some work done.
I got into crypto around 2016. I was working as a fixed income trader on a sales and trading bond desk. I come from a finance background, so I was into the trading aspect at first, speculating and mostly getting lucky rather than being good. And I finally left the fixed income desk in 2017 and found Loopring shortly after.
I got into crypto space probably 2015, mainly through I used to work in tech beforehand and kind of heard about blockchain, didn't really know what it was. I was involved with a company that did a proof of concept. It was my first kind of looked into it, thought the benefits that it bring, and yeah, so just kind of fell into it that way. Found a few people in London through meetups and that sort of thing, and then yeah, ended up working for a custodian called Vault.
So I got into crypto initially in early 2017 was when I really got into, I like to say blockchain instead of crypto. Whenever I was living in Oklahoma, I was working on an app, and we always knew that we wanted to have an in-app currency in our platform, and I knew that Bitcoin existed. My grandfather actually introduced me to Bitcoin in 2011, and I was just like, okay, whatever, Grandpa, you don't know anything about fucking technology. And so I just kind of brushed it off, but then, leaving college, I evolved out. I was working on this app, and we knew we wanted to have an in-app currency, but I didn't understand the fundamental technology of blockchain. And so in 2017, I actually moved with my now business partner E to San Francisco, where he was going to Draper University with our other technical co-founder Jonathan. And Tim was really like blockchain, and so I just got really big in the ecosystem. Started going to Miko's events, Crypto Underground, Serendipity and Nest has an incredible community, the Starfish Collective, and just all of these groups in San Francisco started educating me on the fundamentals of the technology. And once I understood what the blockchain actually was, I was just completely sold. We changed up our business model a little bit. We kind of pivoted to have a foundation of blockchain, and now that's our sole focus. It's been about 18 months, 24 months now that we've been working on the project as blockchain technology.
I got into crypto because the legacy industry really wouldn't let me in. I wanted to buy stocks in an IPO that Snapchat was doing, and they were asking for KYC, if I was a accredited investor, who's my broker, and I was like, I have money, I want to give you my money and make more money with it. They said no. I watched it go from an IPO publicly from $4 to $20. And my heart sank. Then I was like, okay, it's my turn, I'm allowed to buy. So I bought a couple at $20, and then it tanked to $8. So I didn't feel like it was a very fair, even playing field for investing, and I felt like a cog in a bigger machine that was just kind of capitalizing on my money, and I'd never be able to. And then I looked more into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and just the concept of ICOs. And then what this really is getting down to, permissionlessness, decentralization, and unconfiscatable money.